Welcome to Best 5 Picks. The best Generac generator is probably one of the most essential investments a homeowner can make, especially with the increasing unpredictability of power outages. Imagine a sudden storm knocking out your electricity for days. Without a reliable backup, you're left in the dark, potentially facing spoiled food, a lack of heating or cooling, and compromised security. This is where a Generac generator steps in, offering peace of mind and continuity when the grid fails, ensuring your home remains a comfortable and safe haven. Number 5. Generac GP3300i Portable Inverter Generator. Introducing the GP3300i, your ideal companion for any outdoor adventure. Whether you're camping or tailgating, it provides stable power without disturbing the peace. Thanks to True Power technology, it delivers clean and consistent power. This means it's safe for all your sensitive electronics, tools, and appliances, keeping you connected anywhere. Designed for convenience, its compact and lightweight build with a built-in handle makes it incredibly easy to move. Set it up wherever you need power, hassle-free. Activate economy mode to conserve fuel and reduce noise. This feature allows for quiet operation, ensuring your outdoor activities remain undisturbed. Stay informed with LED indicators for oil level and overload status. It also features USB ports for charging devices and parallel capability to double your power output. What we like. This generator is incredibly portable and easy to move around. Its quiet operation won't disturb your neighbors or your campsite. If you're looking for a reliable power source for camping, tailgating, or small job sites, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. This thing is totally silent, so quiet we chained it to one of the blocks at our fireworks tent for we were afraid someone might steal it. It provides roughly 3,100 watts continuously for our purposes. This thing ran nearly continually for 2 weeks as our fireworks tent is 24 hours. The fuel efficiency on this thing is incredible, it would go through a gallon of fuel every 4 hours with it running at 3,100 watts output. Number 4. Generac 2106WH Portable Power Station. Enjoy the benefits of clean, emission-free power wherever you go. This portable power station provides reliable energy, perfect for home use, camping trips, and other outdoor activities. Experience fast and versatile recharging options. You can achieve a full charge quickly from a wall outlet, or use solar, car, and generator inputs for efficient power supply. It is designed to be lightweight, compact, and durable, making it easy to carry and transport. Its robust enclosure and ergonomic handle ensure long-lasting performance in various environments. Simplify your charging experience with the built-in wireless charging pad. Just place your compatible devices on the pad and enjoy hassle-free charging without the need for tangled cords. Stay informed about its status with a large, multicolor display. It provides real-time battery level and remaining runtime, ensuring you always have the necessary information at a glance. What we like. Enjoy power without the fumes or noise. The convenience of wireless charging means no more fumbling with cables. If you prioritize eco-friendly power and want a hassle-free charging experience for your devices, this power station is ideal for you. What people say. This little device powered my Dyson fan, iPad and Wi-Fi card for 14 hours and only used about 15 to 20% of its battery life. The battery life is amazing. We plug our 32-inch TV and spotlights, it gives us more than 10 hours of battery life. We did test it on our refrigerator and it lasted 7 hours, which was perfect for us. We plugged in the refrigerator and some lights and never lost a thing. No gas, no noise, no having to run it outside, it just did its thing perfectly. Number 3. Generac Guardian 24 kilowatts Home Standby Generator. Introducing the Generac Guardian 24 kilowatts Home Standby Generator. It provides automatic whole-house backup power for storms, emergencies, and outages, running on natural gas or propane. With Mobile Link Wi-Fi connectivity, you can effortlessly track its performance from anywhere. Stay updated on status and maintenance alerts, ensuring peace of mind even when you're away. Enjoy comprehensive coverage with its 200 amp transfer switch, designed for outdoor use. This ensures your home remains powered and protected during power outages. It delivers clean, stable 24,000 watts with under 5% harmonic distortion. Its low-maintenance engine runs quieter and uses less fuel for efficient, reliable home power. Proudly engineered and assembled in the USA, it stands as a testament to quality and craftsmanship. The purpose-built engine is designed to handle demands, ensuring reliability and reduced maintenance. Backed by a 5-year limited warranty, this automatic transfer switch delivers lasting performance. It ensures your investment will serve you well for years to come. What we like. This is the ultimate solution for home power outages. It automatically kicks in to keep your entire house running. If you want complete peace of mind during storms or emergencies and desire seamless, whole home power protection, this standby generator is the one to get. What people say. The Generac Generator is a reliable backup power source, keeping essential appliances running during outages. Its automatic transfer switch seamlessly switches to generator power when the grid fails, providing uninterrupted service. The generator's quiet operation is a significant advantage, minimizing noise disturbance. Number 2. Generac 6485 Maintenance Kit for 20 kW 22 kW generators. This kit is specifically designed for your standby home generator. It ensures compatibility and efficient maintenance for reliable power. It is suitable for generators equipped with powerful 20 kW 999 cubic centimeters engines. This provides dependable power for your home when you need it most. We recommend performing maintenance every 200 hours of operation or every 2 years. More frequent service may be needed in dusty environments. This kit includes all the essential components for maintenance. You'll find a pre-cleaner, air filter, oil filter, spark plugs, and more. Please note that oil is not included in this kit. Ensure you purchase the appropriate oil separately to maintain optimal performance. What we like. Keep your standby generator running smoothly with this tailored kit. It contains all the necessary components for recommended maintenance. If you own a compatible Generac standby generator and want to ensure its longevity and optimal performance, this maintenance kit is a must-have. What people say. The spark plugs were only 3 years old on my LP gas 22 kW generator. The manual calls for replacement at 4 years. They need to be changed. It took me about 30 minutes to do the whole process. This kit consists of 1 oil filter part No. 070185E, 1 air filter part No. OJ8478, 2 spark plugs part No. RC12YC, which is the champion equivalent of Generac part No. OG0767A. The Champion RC12YC spark plugs come pre-gapped from the factory at 0.38, so you'll need to widen the gap slightly to get it to 0.40 as recommended by Generac. Number 1. Generac 7706 GP 18000 EFI Portable Generator. Introducing the Generac GP 18000 EFI, your reliable power solution. It offers powerful protection against hazardous carbon monoxide with its advanced CO-Sense technology. Experience optimal performance and efficiency with its robust 816 cubic centimeters EFI engine. It delivers the right amount of power for any task. Power your sensitive electronics and tools with confidence. Its true power technology ensures less than 5% THD for safe operation. This generator is designed for longevity. It automatically safeguards the engine from damage with its low oil pressure shutdown feature. Keep the power going for longer. The large capacity fuel tank, complete with a fuel gauge, ensures durability and extended run times. Provide whole home backup power with ease. When paired with a manual transfer switch, it's a great alternative to a standby generator. Constructed for durability, it features a hardened 1/4-inch steel tube cradle for added strength. This generator is built to withstand tough conditions. What we like. This generator offers substantial power for demanding needs. Safety is paramount with its advanced CO detection. If you need a powerful portable option that can potentially back up your whole home when paired with a transfer switch, this is a robust contender. What people say. It powered my 2,200 square foot house with 2 AC units and never missed a beat. It will run for about 6 hours on 1 tank of gas with both AC units. It powered up instantly and ran the geothermal cooling and everything in our home with no problem. It was very efficient on gas usage and we were pleasantly surprised at only needing to top it up once. Noise levels were definitely lower than the smaller generator units our neighbors were using. The 18000-22000 takes the loads effortlessly. It ran flawlessly for 3.5 days non-stop with no issues. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.